Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at converting an integer to a Roman numeral. So if you don't know what a Roman numeral is, it's a system used by the Romans for numeration before we actually have modern numbers like we do today. So basically, I stands for 1, and by the way, it's in capital letter. I stands for 1, I stands for 2, I3 stands for triple I stands for 3, and the unique thing is you don't do I for 4. It's IV. All right, the smaller one followed by the bigger one. So V actually stands for 5, but when we represent 4, you put the smaller one, which is 1, subtracted by the bigger one. So at the end of the day, you have unique characters within the the system. So for example, in here we can have 400. So 400 would be CD. Okay, I hope you get the idea. And 40 will be XL. Okay, and 9 would be IX. All right, so yeah, that's the idea. All right, so another thing I need to mention is because we're trying to map integer to a number, what we're going to be doing is we're going to need a hash map, because we want to pick from map in. Okay, so we're going to be needing a hash map just to make that matching happen. All right, so in the hash map we're going to store all of our unique numerology. All right, so I'm just going to write that down, and this is it. Okay, I'm going to call this Roman map, not num map. Roman map. And as you can see here, this is unique 1, 5. These are the normal ones, right? What we have here, but we also have unique ones like 4, 9, 40, 90, 400, and 900. Okay, so so this is it. You put all the unique in a hash map, and you need to map them. So for example, how do you want to convert 999, for example, into a Roman numeral? So for example, first off, when you have a number, all right, you need to find out its range. Okay, you need to find out its range. All right, so 999 is between 900 and 1000. Okay, so but we take the lower bound, which is this, and you take it. You write the CM first, CM, and you subtract it, so you're left with 99. Okay, 99 is between 90 and 100. Okay, and you take the lower bound again, which will be XC. Okay, and subtract 90, and you are left with 9. And if you look into this system again, you're back. You can actually have 9. Okay, so that will be IX. All right, so that's how it works. All right, so if you have, let's say, something greater, right, 2000, there's only one thing here. So we're going to say the range is 1000. So you're going to say, oh, you're just going to pick M, right? So that'll be M. 1000, right? And you have another M. Okay, and that's now 0. 2M stands for 2000. So yeah, so there is a while loop. Okay, so we're gonna have, so there are several ways to write this code, but I hope you get the idea. Several ways, but the most concise way to write it, if you're doing something like this. So let's call this our Roman numeral. It's empty string, and we're going to return Roman numeral. We're going to do this for numeral in this, right? In all of our unique state values, 1000, 1000, 1000, 900, 500, 400, 900, 90, 50, 40, 10, 9, 5, 4, and 1. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be saying, this is just a clever way of doing it, okay? We're going to do, okay, if while num is greater than or equal to numeral, okay? So we're going to start with 1000. Okay, we're going to start with 1000. If number is greater than this, so because we're taking the lower bound, that's why we're doing this. So if you start with a number like 2000, for example, yes, of course, 2000 is greater than 1000, so it will start its operation here. So we're going to do r equals num map, Roman map, then we're going to grade the numeral, the Roman numeral for this. So as you can see, so if you have 2000, it will start here. Let's say we have 2000 and I don't know, 2023. Of course, so 2000 is greater than this, so it will impute 2 m's here. No, this will be Roman numeral. So this will be two m's here, okay? So then it will, if it's, so what we have left, yeah, so then you need to subtract what is left. So at this stage, numeral equals minus, num, pardon me, equals minus numeral. Okay, so you have to subtract. So at the end of the day, after the 2 m's, you're going to be left with 23. So 23 is less than this, so it will keep going, until it reaches 10. Okay, so 10. So number has to be greater than what is here, so 10. So another one, you now have another mm, then 23, you now have xx again, okay, xx, then what else, then 3, so it will keep going down. Yes, 1 is less than 3, then this is where it will get I. So this is what 2023 will look like. So let me just print what I'm talking about. Let me print num and numeral, and that should be it. I know it's a bit tricky, but yeah, you could do it any other way, but this is like the most concise way of doing it. So let me run this. Of course that works. So yeah, 1994 for example. So we have num here, which is the number we imputed. So as if it starts with 1000 as usual, it gets the m, then what's left is 994. Of course, yeah, 900 is less than that, so we're trying to take the lower bound, so it extracts the cm, all right, then of course it goes down back to 90 is less than, so it takes the xc, then the last one it takes the 4. So that's that, and I'm going to submit, and that's how it works. Alright guys, see you next time.